Fresh and glowing skin is something many teens want because healthy skin can boost confidence and help people feel good about themselves. During the teenage years, the body goes through many changes, especially because of hormones. These hormonal changes can cause oily skin, pimples, dryness, or uneven skin tone. While there is no such thing as perfect skin, teens can still achieve skin that looks healthy, fresh, and glowing by following good habits and taking proper care of themselves. Glowing skin is not about expensive products or trying to look like edited photos online. It is about keeping the skin healthy, clean, hydrated, and protected. One of the most important steps in having glowing skin is keeping the face clean. Throughout the day, dirt, sweat, oil, and pollution build up on the skin. If the face is not washed properly, pores can become clogged, which may lead to acne and dull-looking skin. Teens should wash their face twice a day using a gentle cleanser that suits their skin type. People with oily skin may prefer a foaming cleanser, while those with dry or sensitive skin should use a mild hydrating cleanser. Washing too often or using harsh soaps can irritate the skin and remove natural oils, making the skin feel dry or causing even more oil production. Moisturizing is another important part of skincare. Many teens think moisturizers are only for dry skin, but every skin type needs hydration. Moisturizers help keep the skin soft, smooth, and healthy looking. When skin is hydrated, it naturally appears brighter and fresher. Lightweight and non-comedogenic moisturizers are good choices because they do not clog pores. Applying moisturizer after washing the face helps lock in moisture and protect the skin barrier. Sun protection is also necessary for glowing skin. Some teens only use sunscreen at the beach, but sunscreen should actually be used every day. The sun's ultraviolet rays can damage the skin, causing dark spots, uneven tone, dryness, and early signs of aging. Sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher helps protect the skin from this damage. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can still affect the skin. Wearing sunscreen daily is one of the best habits for maintaining healthy and glowing skin in the long term. Drinking enough water can also improve the appearance of the skin. The body needs water to stay healthy, and the skin is no exception. Dehydrated skin may look dull, dry, or tired. Teens should try to drink water regularly throughout the day. While drinking water alone will not instantly create perfect skin, staying hydrated supports overall skin health and can help the skin look more refreshed. A healthy diet also plays a big role in skin appearance. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants help nourish the skin from the inside. Fruits and vegetables such as oranges, berries, spinach, carrots, and tomatoes contain nutrients that support healthy skin. Foods with healthy fats like fish, nuts, and avocados can help keep the skin soft and moisturized. Eating too much junk food, sugary snacks, or greasy foods may worsen breakouts for some people. Balanced meals and healthy snacks are better choices for maintaining clear and glowing skin. Getting enough sleep is another important factor. During sleep, the body repairs itself, including the skin. Teens who stay up very late or do not sleep enough may notice dark circles, puffiness, or dull skin. Most teenagers need around 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night. A good sleep schedule can help the skin look brighter and healthier. Sleeping on clean pillowcases can also reduce bacteria and oil buildup that may lead to breakouts. Exercise can also improve skin health. Physical activity increases blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Sweating during exercise may also help clear out pores. After working out, however, it is important to wash the face gently to remove sweat and prevent clogged pores. Exercise also reduces stress, which can sometimes trigger acne or skin irritation. Stress management is often overlooked, but stress can affect the skin more than many people realize. Schoolwork, social pressure, and busy schedules can make teens feel stressed. Stress may lead to breakouts or unhealthy habits such as poor sleep and unhealthy eating. Finding ways to relax, such as listening to music, reading, exercising, or spending time with friends and family, can help both mental health and skin health. Another important tip for glowing skin is avoiding the habit of touching or picking at pimples. Picking at acne can spread bacteria, increase redness, and leave scars or dark marks. Although it can be tempting, it is better to let pimples heal naturally or use acne treatments recommended for teenagers. Keeping hands away from the face can also prevent dirt and bacteria from spreading onto the skin. Choosing the right skincare products is also important. Many products are advertised online, but not every product works for everyone. Teens should keep their skincare routine simple and avoid using too many strong products at once. Some ingredients that may help include salicylic acid for acne, niacinamide for redness and oil control, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and vitamin C for brightening the skin. Introducing products slowly allows the skin to adjust and reduces the chance of irritation. Good hygiene habits can also make a difference. Washing makeup brushes, cleaning phones, and changing towels regularly can help reduce bacteria that may cause breakouts. Removing makeup before bed is especially important because sleeping with makeup on can clog pores and make the skin appear dull. Hair products should also be kept away from the face when possible, since oily hair products may contribute to acne. Teens should also avoid comparing themselves to people online. Many photos on social media are edited, filtered, or taken under perfect lighting. Real skin naturally has pores, texture, and occasional pimples. Having a breakout does not mean someone is unhealthy or unattractive. Confidence and self-care are more important than trying to achieve unrealistic beauty standards. It is also important to understand that skincare results take time. Many teens become frustrated if they do not see changes after only a few days. Healthy skin habits need consistency. Using products regularly, eating well, sleeping enough, and protecting the skin from the sun can gradually improve the skin's appearance over time. Patience is an important part of skincare. In some cases, teens may experience severe acne or skin conditions that do not improve with regular skincare. If acne is painful, causes scars, or affects self-esteem, it may help to visit a dermatologist. Dermatologists are skin doctors who can recommend treatments that are safe and effective for teenage skin. Seeking professional advice is completely normal and can help prevent long-term skin problems. Natural remedies are popular among teens, but they should be used carefully. Some people use ingredients like honey, aloe vera, or cucumber masks because they can feel soothing on the skin. However, not all DIY remedies are safe. Lemon juice, toothpaste, or baking soda can irritate the skin and should generally be avoided. It is safer to use products designed specifically for skincare. Overall, glowing skin is not about being flawless. Healthy skin comes from taking care of the body and building consistent habits. Cleaning the face gently, moisturizing, wearing sunscreen, drinking water, eating nutritious foods, sleeping well, exercising, and managing stress all contribute to fresh-looking skin. Confidence, self-care, and patience are just as important as skincare products. Every person's skin is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. By focusing on health instead of perfection, teens can develop habits that help their skin look naturally fresh, healthy, and glowing.